Hello guys, welcome back to the new vlog. We are currently on the other side of Canada, which is Vancouver. 6 a.m. breakfast at UBC. The hackathon will start at like 8? 9. So we'll roam around campus till that time. It's pretty dark outside. So let's see. Those of you who don't know, UBC is the University of British Columbia. It is the third best university in Canada. Like according to me, first is University of Waterloo. Obviously.
Unbiased opinion.
Second is University of Toronto, and third is UBC.
For CS.
Yes, for CS. Depends on majors. UBC is, I think, kind of business oriented school. Yeah, like similar to Harvard in USA.
Yeah. Harvard of Canada.
Harvard of Canada. We are studying in the MIT of Canada. This is the Harvard of Canada. So here's the UBC sign. We'll take pictures for Instagram. Okay, so we're now done with our early breakfast. We were roaming around the campus for about 1 hour. We were just circling around the same place. Looked at some residences which look extremely good. Like it's called the Business School of Canada, but we've just seen pharmacy and health buildings and kinesiology buildings and residences. Yeah. Now we're walking towards one of the beaches on the campus. Let's see how it is. Straight ahead. So we are here at Wreck Beach. It's fully covered in snow and sand, but it's looking amazing. It's around 500 step trek.
West coast of India to west coast of Canada.
This is also called Marine Drive, by the way. This entire area looks like Twilight Saga, just minus the wolves. So this is Wreck Beach. As you can see, this is entirely covered in snow. There's also a snowman here. Oh, there you can't probably see it. There's this white speck in the background is a cruise ship, and there's a lot of logs lying around. I don't know why. There's also a trail of rocks there, which is very similar to the one which we can see in Marine Drive, Mumbai. I'll put up a photo for a comparison.
Getting back now.
What's the time now?
7:40.
7:45. So now we have got dinner. This is This is something Subway like, and Arav is eating pizza because he had no choice, and that only one slice of pizza.
This is breakfast, lunch, and dinner now.
This is exactly like similar to the lines of what we have based our hackathon project on.
Rich people being harassed by everybody. No respect. And veganism and vegetarianism being called the same thing is not. I am anti-vegan. I am pro-veg people.
We got these cool lanyards and stuff. We're still waiting for free shirts. Tomorrow we'll have the pitching of the project. Okay, update. Day 2 of the hackathon. We are done with our project almost. So now Arav and Vivid are playing chess.
Every wheel some new liquid there. Keep this for your presentation. Live demonstration. What is that? What is that? What?
Hello guys, We're back at Waterloo. We technically won the hackathon. This is what they gave us as a gift. So let me show you. These are all the chocolates we won for getting the best joke at the hackathon. So for those of you who अरे यार क्या है? So for those of
those who know.
yes. Okay, so for those of you मुंबई का याद आ गया. अरे हिंदी में नहीं बोल सकते. Whatever, you are on camera. This is going into the vlog.
He literally just started and you called.